Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this bear, so I can help me find the cutest one.
Mm-hmm.
Puppy. Hi, Puppy. Look!
Ooh, cute little mini trolls.
That's probably the. These are probably real,
Mm-hmm.
but
That's
this is fake.
Tiny Diamond and Poppy and Viva and the twin sisters.
These can too build this hair, these hair,
Yeah.
but no these. Oh, I asked you. Oh, so cute.
What is that?
But I'm not gonna buy it. From the princess stuff. None of the princess. Also, so if I think of this one to take or that one,
Which one?
I wonder.
Which one are you gonna choose?
I don't know, but I'm gonna put this one right here. So you have to. So I have to choose.
It's a princess style My Trendy Puppy Tote or Trendy Traveler Backpack.
They were so cute. And I'm gonna get them for Christmas.
Okay, so not that?
No.
Alright.
This, that one,
Uh-huh.
or this one, or this one. I'm thinking about all of these three. The other one, the monkey.
Okay, let's see. What's this?
So it's that.
Use the pacifier.
Now that. This.
Oh,
or
this one moves. You put the pacifier in?
I don't think. I'm thinking
And it
about.
sleeps.
I think I want this, or this.
This is fingerly.
I'm thinking which one can I.
This one has 10 puppy surprises inside. And they smell sweet.
This one.
That one? You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
They were. I tried in the rabbit because they don't want to.
Good job. Now put it in the bag.
In the back.
Yay. Grab your bag.
Mommy.
Hi, Leean.
Hi.
Alright, what are we doing today? The rainbow corns. Puppycorn scented surprise. Over 10 puppy surprises inside. Let's go.
Let's open it.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Alright. Pull, 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 pull.
Yeah.
It's a pink egg with puppy ears and a unicorn. Let's open it.
Okay.
Wow!
It's so cute.
Ooh, let's see. Show your friends. Wow, that's so cute.
Let's take off this wedges.
Oh, can I see?
Then we have to put it back
Oh,
on. So
it's a puppy unicorn with a blue heart and donuts. Oh, wow. Does it smell like anything?
You smell it.
Let's smell it, guys. It smells sweet. It kind of smells like a donut.
Let's put this heart back on so somebody don't know what it is. Look.
Ooh, what's that?
It is.
Oh, it shows you all the other little puppies.
Yeah.
Let's try to find our puppy. Hold on. Ooh, what's that?
Feel it. You feel it.
Ooh, I think it might be like slime or putty or something.
It's too.
Let's try to see our puppy. Ooh, I think it's this one right here. Yeah, that's her. Her name is Fluffer.
Fluffer. Let me see. Yeah, I do see her. Her name is Fluffer.
Fluffer.
Fluffer. Okay, let's go open these. Let's start opening these. Is it something in here? You feel it when I'm trying to open it.
Oh yeah, there's something in there.
Here. Oh, there it is. It is a donut.
Ooh, it came with a donut. Oh my gosh. That's so cool.
Let's see what it looks like. Is it the same?
Ooh, yes, it's the same donut. It's a pink donut.
Yeah.
So cool.
Why is it so flat? You feel it. It's so flat.
Oh yeah, it is really flat. It might be like a sticker or something.
We're gonna figure it out.
It's already open on top.
Oh, okay. It is. It's so sticky. And here it is.
Ooh.
It is stickers in right here.
Stickers.
Which one's your favorite?
Let's see. Wow, it has lots of stickers on it. It has all the little puppycorns on there and some candies.
I like this one. These two.
Let's see.
I like these two.
Ooh, cute.
In here? It's probably something in here. It's finally open. It's pink.
Ooh, pink slime.
Let's go feel it.
It looks so gooey.
It doesn't stick. It doesn't stick to me.
Pink gooey slime.
Let me see if something's in here, too. Nothing. Nothing's in there. Let's take everything out. You can feel it. You feel it.
Oh, it looks like it's getting stuck to your fingers. Ah.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's so gooey and sticky. Ah, get it off me. Oh my god, there's still some on me. Oh no, I don't want it on me.
We did. Oh. I think it sticks to you.
It sticks. This is not very clean.
We have to put it in the egg. Put it in the egg.
Put it in there.
Ew. Okay, let's take it off. Wait, it got off of me. Ew. I think some of it
It
goes
looks
off.
like boogers.
I think some of it go off. Some of this.